अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। जोया इंग्लिश व्लॉगिंग में खुशामदीद है। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी शेयर करूँगी जो कि आप सबकी फेवरेट है, और इस स्टोरी का टाइटल है मंकी एंड कैप सेलर। और ये स्टोरी आपको बहुत पसंद आएगी, इसलिए आपने स्टोरी में मेरे साथ रहना है। और स्टोरी को चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Once upon a time, a cab seller was traveling by way of a forest to a village. It was very warm day, and so he chose to lay down under a tree and take sleep for some time till the sun sets down. As he was extremely tired, he slept quickly. When he was sleeping, several monkeys came down the tree and pulled the cab seller's bag. They opened the bag and found the colorful caps inside. The monkeys picked up the caps and climbed up the trees. The cab seller woke up after some time, and he was surprised to find his open bag, and the monkeys all used his caps. The cab seller became very upset. He shouted at the monkeys in the tree. The monkeys yelled back at him. This made the cab seller much more irritated. He picked up few stones from the ground and threw them at the monkeys. This time the monkeys threw the fruits they had in their hands at the cab seller. The cab seller was shocked at this action of monkeys. He thought for a while. This time he taken off the cap he was wearing and threw it on the ground. The monkeys that were seeing him also did exactly the same. They threw all the caps on the ground. The clever cap seller collected all the caps, filled them back in his traveling bag and moved away from that location. The moral of the story is that intelligence works wonders. फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ आज की ये स्टोरी आपको बहुत पसंद आई होगी। आपने कमेंट में लाजमी बताना है कि आज की ये स्टोरी आपको कैसी लगी। नेक्स्ट मिलते हैं अच्छी सी वीडियो में अच्छी सी स्टोरी के साथ। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।